Hola mes amours! Today I'm coming to you from my kitchen. My name is Binja. Welcome to the African Cocktail channel, and I hope you enjoy this particular vlog video combo. I think that this has probably been one of the most unpredictable weeks. I was supposed to be out on vacation, and so I was planning on being gone for at least a week, and so my kitchen was bare bones. However, with the coronavirus, everything in terms of my plans got changed, so I had to figure out a plan freaking B, people. And so that being said, this morning I had to quickly rush out to get groceries because different states are getting locked down, and I didn't want to be locked down in Boston with no food because of my flight cancellations. So that being said, I rushed out, I got groceries, I have the groceries, I began cleaning out my kitchen, and I realized, why not pick up the camera and bring you guys with me? So today, what are we gonna do? We are going to take a look at what's in my fridge. Do not judge me, okay? I was not supposed to be here. Number two, I'm gonna show you how I unpack and how I triage my shelving and decide what lives where. It'll be a little bit of a mix of a time lapse as well as me talking to you guys. So I'm excited. Never done one of these before, but let go. Okay, so first things first, I wanted to show you my fridge. I'm one of those people that collects magnets everywhere they go, and so I travel a lot. I have a lot of magnets. So secondly, maybe we should start at the top here with my freezer. I have all that I need. Oh, look at my table. I have all that I need for my smoothies over here, and this is actually how I package my smoothies so that they're good to go in the morning. I might do a vlog on that, we'll see. But as you can see, bare bones. There are barely any vegetables left in here, and that's it. I think I have like 2 fish, and that's it, and just a bunch more of my ingredients for my smoothies, more smoothie ingredients. So y'all can see why I had to go to the store. I didn't have real food, and I do not live on smoothies. I'm not that girl. She thickums, okay? And so further down here, let's do this. We have my fridge in its current state. As you can see, pretty empty. I don't really have much food, but yeah, so I have a couple of leftover veggies, have some hummus, and then this is my egg tray with nothing in there, and then I have my carousel here. This carousel is one of the most genius ideas that I stole from the internet. And then going one shelf down, I have some of my favorite cheese. It's Tillamook cheese. And then I have literally 1 yogurt, guys. That is all the food that I had left. I have some broth at the back there. Let me bring you with me, some broth. And then I have some of this marinara sauce. And then I have my almond milk, a couple of Brussels sprouts, and that's about it, and some onions down here. But as y'all can see, fridge is bare bones, people. Fridge is bare bones. Binja is not gonna make it if I have to do this for about a week. And so that being said, it is time to clean. All right, guys. So here are all the groceries that I got. And as you can see, everything is pretty much still in the bag that I got them in. And then I had all my bags. I did my shopping at my local grocery Stop and Shop. And so it is time to get going. guys, so now that I'm fully unpacked, I am going to go ahead and show you all the items that I purchased. Now, don't think that I'm crazy. This is not for a week. This is probably going to last me at least 3 weeks to a month. So I'm not feeding a family. I don't have to make crazy huge meals. And so do not judge the contents. They're going to be here for 3 weeks. Okay guys, so I have my fridge cleared out and I am excited because now we get to put things back into a nice cleaned up fridge. Crap, I forgot. 1 second, let's get this done. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am almost there. I have been able to go ahead and clear out my entire fridge, and let's take a look at what she looks like. So fully cleared out. All right, guys, so I have finished setting everything up. So okay guys, so finally got everything I needed done. I have a fully stocked fridge. I ended up maintaining all my smoothie ingredients right here. I have a couple carryover over here, but like I told y'all, if you followed my Instagram stories, I haven't actually bought ice cream in months, which is huge for me because I'm trying to eat healthier. And yes, I actually just went to town and I got a couple, and I was like, I'm gonna be isolated, we might as well live a little. So I got some of my Ben & Jerry's, but I am a true Haagen-Dazs fan. If I eat Ben & Jerry's, I'm only going to have the Cherry Garcia or the salted caramel core, as you see back there. I got some Brussels sprouts, I got some broccoli, I got some okra in the back, and then further down, you guys saw my condiments from earlier, so didn't have to refresh those too much, although I don't think I can see, you guys can see them in the back there, but I got some more Brianna style dressing. And then I have some of my favorite ingredients that make my sandwiches. I got my eggs, I got some veggies that I had already cooked up there. I love me a good Activia first thing in the morning. My favorite Tillamook cheese, and then I still have my marinara sauce and my broth in the back. I did get some more almond milk. I got mushrooms, tomatoes, some carrots. I got some of my green beans. I have some mint that I use when I make my smoothies. I'm pretty sure I have some strawberries. Oh, there they are. I got my strawberries as well. And then I got some peppers, some juice. I'm gonna be indoors, so I figured I might as well get some of my favorite dip. I love the spinach dip. And then, yeah, the rest is history. And my fridge is done.